Hello. And JD Andrews pouring it on. He hit the berm and he's airborne over the tabletop in the second lap. This is 6th lap, ladies and gentlemen, and he's putting distance between him and number 115 of Amat Guevara. Earlier on, number 164. Number 164 is Ronnie Bengtson of YRS. And these are off the track. Seems that these are going to go through the race. Followed by Amat Guevara, number 115 of the roller. And in third place, that's it's a little bit far for us to see, but we'll give you the standings as soon as they come by us again. It's still JD Andrews out in front, number 108 of Atlas Publishing. JD Andrews of Atlas Publishing. And as we said earlier on, he's dominated this event. And he's followed still by number 115, Amat Guevara.
Nakawawa na. Yan. Nalo na.
In third place is before the tabletop. He's airborne over the tabletop and he's going to try the double jump. Whenever you see her, he's on a DP. That's a Yamaha DP. Doesn't say how many years he's been in racing, but he's from Nueva Ecija. And he's been in 1 year, in racing 1 year. And right now, back to the leader, it's still Andrews, way out in front of Amat Guevara by this time. And he's really put some distance in between him and the second place. And their third place competition, who is Eddie Constantino as we last saw. And the jump in between Amat Guevara and JD Andrews of Atlas Publishing. Amat Guevara of the rollers trying very hard to catch up to Andrews. Although earlier on, Amat Guevara won the first heat of this event, the Novice 125 Enduro here at the Camel Motocross Series, the last leg actually here at the reclamation area. That's JD Andrews leading Amat Guevara through the Camel Motocross track here at a very strong contender. JD Andrews from Atlas Publishing Company, first place win in the Novice 125 Enduro. First place win for the people here in the announcers area can easily identify you. A while ago, it was practically impossible to identify riders because of the mudholes. But since those have been avoided, we plan to imagine that there's going to be it'll be an easier matter now to keep track. We'd like to greet and recognize the presence of Auto EDQs led by Manolo Castro, Victra Racing Team, JRS Express, Talahit Racing Team, FMAC Racing Team, MCCLU from La Union, FMAC from Baguio, Philip Racing Team, the Rollers from Marikina, the Engine Breakers from Cavite, YRS Racing Team, Alicabon Racing Team from San Jose Nueva Ecija, PRT Racing Team from Cebu, Motopix from Cebu, Max Psycho from Ormoc, Bacolod Riders from Bacolod, and the Santa Cruz Racing Team from Iloilo.
Kulay blue. Close up. Ganyan naman ako. Keep! Labo-labo yan sa pag-ipo. Magkakasot lang. ano, kuya? Ganda. Gana. Ganda. Ay, ang dami, oh. Lalo na kung puno na. Pag nakasipay ka kanina, walang kilala.
Number 129 followed by 113 in second place. In third place, number 131. Number 131 is René Cristobal in third place. René Cristobal in third place, ladies and gentlemen, earlier on. And it's now followed by number 131, René Cristobal, who came in third earlier on. In the earlier that. Now René Cristobal is in second place, pursuing Joseph Fernando, touching up. Got himself a pretty good lead right now. And maybe he will be first place hit for him. But anyway, this is the sixth lap race. And Joseph Fernando is going to have to show that he can stay ahead of the very dangerous competition behind him. Joseph Fernando, touching up, number 129. That's number 129, 129, Joseph Fernando, touching up, still leading, number 129, and then 131, and 111, that's Manuel Zampo, Joseph Fernando, touching up, he's still leading, number 131. René Cristobal, number 111, Manuel Zampo, they're out there, he's out there, right now. And Manuel Zampo right now is taking second place, passing number 131, René Cristobal. And let's catch up to the concept of riders.
Tumagsak na naman doon. Nabutan na naman. Malakas na na.
Ha?
Bukas.
Ano?
Salita ka dyan.
Saan ako magsasalita? Hello, hello. Umatras hindi po. Oh, nagsalita na ako.
Huwag ka umarang dyan. Babalik ka ba doon, Mama? Ben, babalik ka doon.
Wala na yung pwesto na niya.
Ha?
Kung expert man na dyan. Pag-expert at pumwesto kahit mga likabok.
Yung mga malayong ganong siwang ng bintana na makikita mo talaga ang mukha ng tao.
Hindi, kung dito nga yung makikita.
Hindi, yung gano'n sa video. Hindi.
Maraming naglalaban. Tayo. Tara.
Hoy, ano naman kami eh? Kung masakit yung dig, makukunin mo kami. Nasakay ako sa motor.
Ay, ano, nakukuna na
Ba't tayo mong naamat ka na pala?
hindi.
Puta na.
Gaya. Hindi yung daan. Diyos mo na rin.
Kukunin ako eh.
Hoy.
Oh! Parang nila sa video. May bahay ni Mac sa'yo. May pangalan pa Mac. Ah, sa Mac. Mac.
Kinuha mo lahat yung bayad? Mama? Basta ko sa akin ko ha.
Isa din tayo.